Imagine you are at a party and Uncle A has one bag of rice he wants to sell, while Auntie B across the hall is looking for a bag of rice to buy. They don't know each other, but you stepped in, connect them, and in split seconds, you make money. That is agricultural commodity trading.
From the crack of dawn till the stars at night, we hustle with dreams and a future in sight. On the farm with Chris, we grow our dreams from tiny seeds to evergreen schemes. Every road tells a powerful story. Hard work today, harvest glory. Yeah, the land don't lie, it rewards the sweat. On the farm with Chris.
Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. Of course, it is Farm with Chris, and here on this channel we don't only show what we do in terms of planting and harvesting. We also talk about agriculture and agric business. So in this particular video, I'll be looking at a part of agriculture that is very, very important and also very lucrative. As I always say, we discuss agriculture, agric business as well. So how do you make money from agriculture? And in this video, I'll be taking us on a journey step by step on how we can trade agricultural commodities and make profit. Make sure you stay to the end of this video, watch to the end so that you can understand what we're going to discuss in this video. And I'm sure at the end of this video, you will learn something. So if you've ever wanted to start agricultural business or agribusiness, but don't know where to begin, this is for you. This video is for you. Now let's start with agricultural commodity. What is commodity trading? What exactly is agricultural commodity trading? It's very simple, or let me put it in a simple way. Simply put it as buying, selling, and distributing of farm produce like maize, cashew nuts, rice, palm oil, sesame seed, just general thing, buying and selling and distribution of agricultural or farm produce. But here is a key difference. You are not farming. You are not farming. You are not waiting months before you harvest. Instead, you are moving goods from farmers who need cash urgently, who need to sell their goods, to buyers who need product immediately. You are the bridge. You are the bridge between farmers and the consumers. So you are buying from farmers who need money, and you are selling to buyers who need those products immediately. Now you are the bridge, and that is where the profit is. Now let me paint a clear picture. Farmer Bashir from Kaduna just harvested 100 bags of maize, and he needs money urgently. He wants to sell because he has bills to pay. At the same time, a poultry feed company in Delta State or in Delta are looking for maize but can't find a reliable supplier. This is where you come in. This is where you come in. You buy from Farmer Bashiru at a fair price and transport to Delta, sell it to the buyer, and keep your profits. Simple, practical, profitable. That's how it is, because you are the bridge between farmers and the end consumer or the final consumer. Now, people will always ask, should I go into farming or trading? Here is the truth. Both of them are profitable, or both of them are important. Let me not talk of profit now. Both of them are important. But if you are starting with low capital, limited time, and you want faster returns, trading is the smarter entry point. Now, I will tell you this from experience because I'm a producer. I produce agricultural produce, and that is I'm in that industry. So I can tell you for a fact, if you need a low entry point, you you have low capital, you have limited time, and you want a faster return, trading is the smarter entry point for you. You may want to ask why. Farmers wait months for harvest. For instance, we are currently planting yam this month. We have to wait for 8 months before we can harvest our yam. So if you want to turn over your money as fast as possible, you don't expect to plant yam and get the money in 2 months or in 3 months. If you want to even plant tomatoes, you wait for 3 months before they get to maturity. Pepper, the same thing. So farmers wait months for harvest. Traders can turn money in weeks. That is the difference. So if you want to turn over your money fast, then uh, trading is a smarter entry point for you. Now let's talk about money. Let's talk about money. You can start with as little as 100,000 naira. When you want to talk of the smaller entry or lower entries for you, you can start with as little as 100,000 naira. You can say, is that possible? How is that possible? Buy small quantities during harvest season. When they're harvesting or during harvest seasons, buy small quantity, store or move them strategically, then sell at higher price. Sell when prices have increased. That's how it is. You buy, store, and sell. Look around you. There are agricultural produce everywhere with profit potential. Look around you. I always say it, and I'm an advocate of it. I always say all of us must not farm. When I say farm, everybody must not be in production. There are people that can be distributors. There are people that can focus on the logistics. There are people that can focus on distribution of agricultural produce. Everybody must not produce. So look around you. There are different agricultural produce everywhere with profit potential. You just need to spot the opportunity and you take advantage. Now let's talk about risks. What are the risks? Farmers face what's it called? Rain, uncertainties, pest attack, fungal attack, and all of that. But traders, you just focus on logistics. How am I going to move this agri commodity from here, from point A to point B? Focus on market prices and timing. You see, it's a two-way thing. It's very different. So it's actually a very easy entry when you want to start. And here is the exciting part. Nigeria has over 200 million people, and demand for food is constantly rising. So if you are a distributor of agricultural produce or commodities, you can easily move around the market. Just spot that opportunity and take advantage of it. Agricultural commodity trading can be your side hustle. It can also be a full-time job for you, depending on what you are looking at and what you want to achieve. You don't need a big farm. Just what you need is just the right knowledge and strategy. And I think I'm going to do a series on how to move agricultural commodities and make profit from them easily. So you don't need a big farm. You just need the right knowledge and the right strategy. If you are serious about starting, then you don't have to wait. You don't have to waste time. The right time to start is now. You know why? You start making your plans now because currently farmers are planting. We've gradually entered the planting season. Farmers are planting, we are making preparations, we are doing our work, maintenance and other things are going on right now. Very soon it will be harvest season. It will be harvest time. Before then, you should know what product or what farm produce am I going to buy and store. What am I going to buy, store, and sell after 1 week or 2 weeks, depending on the market prices? By now, you should start calculating, you start making plans on which agricultural produce you are going to buy and sell. So the time to start planning is now. That is if you are serious about starting agricultural commodity trading. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel, because you might not see this video again if you don't subscribe. So subscribe so that you always see when we post new videos. I'm going to also do another video, a follow-up video to this one, because this is actually a very short video. It just came to my mind and I thought of saying this this morning. So it's actually a short video, and I will do a follow-up video consistently on agriculture, agribusiness, and how to know the best agricultural commodity to trade at a particular time. So stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.